Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm your Ritu ma'am. Today I'm going to teach you new family words. Are you all ready? Let's start. Can you read this letter? Yes, this is letter U and U says A. And this is letter G and G says G. Together it says UG. Together it says UG. So today we are going to learn about UG family words. First word is UG, bug. UG, bug. And next word is UG, jug. UG, jug. And this is UG, rug. UG, rug. Next is UG, mug. UG, mug. Okay, now this is pug, pug. Pug, pug. And next one, this is tug, tug. Tug, tug. Okay, now this one, this is hug, hug. Hug, hug. And the last one is dug, dug. Dug, dug. Okay, now it's recap time. Can you read this word? Yes, this is pug. Next word. Yes, you are right. This is jug. This word. Yes, this is rug. Next one. This is mug. Okay, now try to read this word. Yes, this is pug. Next, tug. This one, hug. And the last word is tug.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankids.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.